Ano kaya napasok sa utak ni Tonet na magpaturo siya ng magbike? Eh, sinabi ko sa kanya na mountain bike kasi yan. Mahirapan siya mahirapan siya tawag nito? Gamitin yun kasi mataas ang, ang tawag nito? Anong tawag nga nito? Yung upuan, yung seat. Sabi ko, yung BMX doon kay Tito Roger niya, hiramin natin. Para yun na lang gamitin niya. Ikaw, you know how to bike? You want your kuya to teach you how to bike? Anyway, it's no school naman eh.
Ano ngayon?
Today is Sunday. Psst. Sabi ni Tonit, turuan daw siyang magbike. Pero she says, we have to speak English kasi hindi daw niya maintindihan. Sus mio. Tonet, Kuya Josh. Tonet asking if Kuya Josh can teach her how to bike. Then Tonet asked me if I can speak English, how to teach her how to bike daw. To speak English if you're going to teach your daughter how to bike? Ha, paano? How to speak English nga? You have to put your first foot on the first pedal, maybe right or left. Then once it starts or begin to turn, Tonet, then follow up the other leg. Am I right? Sabi niya madaming tao daw. Sabi niya dapat road is empty. Eh, the road is empty. Oo, ayan. Oh. It's empty. Oh. The road is empty. The road is empty. Nobody. Oh, only pot-pot. Oh. Pot-pot lang. Okay, ready. Tapos look in front, Tonet. Oh, go. Slowly lang. Oh. Okay, go. Balance. Don't harden your arms. Oh. See, the road is empty. Eh, she want me to speak English eh. Para turuan daw siya paano magbike. My English is not good daw, sabi ni Gisette. Eh, I'm only using basic English para for her to understand. Oh, ayan.
Look straight on song.
See, the road is empty, right? Oh. Sige, you do the balance daw. Go. Do the balancing. Sige. Do it slowly. Sige, go. The wheels will turn, Tonet, once you do the pedal. O, go. O, slowly. Balance din agad. Balik ka. Dito kami sa harap ng bahay. Diyos ko. Buti si Kuya Dodot, mataas ang patience. Thank you, Kuya Dodot. Tonet's teacher, coach. Biking coach. Oh, slowly lang. Mo naman, slowly lang. At least, oh, di ba? Oh. You will control the speed naman, anak, through your pedal. Tapos make your arm, a little bit, harder and safety ba? Pero balance lang din. You should know how to carry the yung manibela yung sa harap niyan. O go, slowly lang, slowly. Yan, slowly. Slowly, sige. Takbo ka muna konti. Sige, takbo ka muna konti. Ops, sige, ops. Tapos i-control mo yan, oo. Tapos angat mo to. Yan. Sige, Dodot. See? Diba? Empty ang road. Oh, see? So, it's safe. Oh. Okay, go. Slowly, slowly.
Hapit.
Basi pag binisay unta ning bataan ni basi magkapuliki di gyapon siya kasabot. Saan pagtudlo og magbike, magbisaya ta. Tagalog siguro wa pud ni siya kasabot pud. Ay nako, day. English lang daw. Basin Spanish. Baka pwede te intende este bata este pakimodo usa el bike. Na-connect. Cute mo. Buti mahaba ang patience ni Kuya Dodo. Thank you, Kuya Dodo. Alright.
Oh, hapit na. Ana. Sige. Concentrate.
Go. Sige, push.
Step the pedal. Oh, hapit na. Oh. Hapit na. Yeah. Hapit na.
Can we take Tito Roger's bike?
First, mabigat siya.
The bike ate.
Mabigat talaga at first.
Eh.
Sasakit niyan sa apo kungkung.
Oh, kana.
Kasi masyadong mataas. Mamaya, magreklamo yan. Masakit yung ano niya. To straight her body.
Kanan mo na to bonsai kaduha, wala na maka diretso na kana to.
Go, be. Observe, Kuya Josh. Do it slowly, Kuya.
Oh, na.
Alam mo kasi.
Ikaw lang talagang mag-maneuver dyan sa manibela yun sa harap. Hindi masakit sa ano mo?
Yung isa mo na kung diretso ko na, yan.
Okay, concentrate. Yan.
Just go slowly.
Okay.
Looking down. O yan ibig ko sabihin, Jo. Hawakan mo sa likod.
Ba't nandun na sila?
After that, Tabi? Swim na lang tayo, ma. Umingit after sa handa, Tabi?
Sa kuan, ma. Swim na lang tayo, ma. Ma, swim na lang tayo, ma. Swim and then Tabi.